Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to get and enable voice chat in Roblox, so you can finally talk to other players directly in-game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and drop a like. It really helps us out. All right, let's get started. First, open Roblox and click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to open your settings. Once you're there, click on it again to make sure you're inside the account settings page. Now, to enable voice chat, you'll first need to verify your phone number. So, on this page, scroll until you see the option to add phone number. Click on Add Phone, type in your number, and Roblox will send you a verification code. Enter the code, and once it's done, you'll see a message saying that your phone number has been successfully verified. Next, click Done, then look on the left-hand side of the screen and select Privacy. Under Privacy, find Content Restrictions and then click on Communication. Here, you'll see an option for voice chat. If it's turned off, simply toggle it on, and that's it. You've just enabled voice chat on your Roblox account. Now, when you join a game that supports voice chat, you'll see a small microphone icon at the top right. Just tap on it to unmute yourself, and you can start talking with other players right away. And that's how you easily enable voice chat in Roblox. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss more helpful Roblox tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.